Can you imagine the home of your dreams? Is it modern flat in the city center or charming cottage in the woods? Either way, I bet this is not a part of your vision. I'm Kaya from LUFTOMET Czech Republic. Let me help you to choose air diffuser that perfectly fits in your dream home. LUFTOMET Sky is a proof that air vent can also be a design feature, whether thanks to its design or wide range of materials like wood, glass, 3D glass, concrete, or plastic. A LUFTOMET Sky is designed for ducting dimensions of 100, 125, or 160 millimeters. A unique magnetic system for secure attaching the diffuser to the mounting frame with 4 neodymium magnets allows for easy installation and service. You only need to hear double-click. No tools, no stress. If you are not sure what design play to choose, we've got an online selection software on our website. Our company is based in Czech Republic, but you can visit our partner stores in Europe. The list is on our website. You don't have to wait for cloudless sky. LUFTOMET Sky is always a clear choice.